Hello, my name is Chris King and I'm a home advisor with the Olson company here at our brand new townhome community in Puente, Estrella Walk. Come tour these brand new townhomes with me. The new attached solar residences at Estrella Walk showcase modern Spanish architecture and welcoming open floor plans. This enclave of 56 attainable and stylish townhomes in Puente offers a place to spend quality time with loved ones. Floor plan options range from 1,209 to 1,683 square feet of living space and offer 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 baths. These new townhomes in Puente offer homeowners open concept floor plans, spacious kitchens, decks and porches in select plans, and 2-car garages with direct access. All primary bedrooms include walk-in closets and dual vanities in the ensuite bath. Many of the secondary bedrooms also offer walk-in closets. At Estrella Walk, you can live better in a new Olson home. To live better in an Olson home means having everything you need to fully embrace a healthier, smarter, and planet-friendly lifestyle, from a walkable location to smart appliances and healthy home options. Our connected tech features at Estrella Walk include Wi-Fi thermostats, smart appliances, and pre-wiring for network devices to maximize Wi-Fi coverage throughout the home. The central Puente location gives homeowners convenient access to freeways and public transit, making getting around Los Angeles, the San Gabriel Valley, and Orange County easy. Local schools include Rorimer Elementary, Giano Intermediate, and Nogales High School. For nearby places to get outside, our homeowners can walk to Sunshine Park for family fun at the splash pads or basketball courts, or head to Shawbroom Regional Park or Ulster Wilderness Park for hiking, biking, and nature trails. The newly renovated 22-acre Puente City Park is also close by and offers a skate park, sports fields, and playgrounds for the kids. For simple, everyday convenience products, Estrella Walk homeowners will appreciate being close to Target, Walmart, Costco, and many grocery stores including Sprouts and 99 Ranch Market. You can get the rest of your shopping done easily by living in close proximity to the plaza at Puente Hills, Woodside Village Shopping Center, and Puente Hills Mall. When you don't feel like cooking up your next meal, try one of the many restaurants in the area. From fast food to international cuisine, you're sure to find your next favorite dining spot just around the corner. Some of our local favorites include Lazy Dog Cafe, Wagyu House, China Blossom, and 85 Degrees Bakery Cafe. There's even an In-N-Out Burger close by. Looking for more fun? Hop on the freeway to downtown LA or drive south to spend the day at Disneyland. Or you can stay closer to home and enjoy a day playing mini golf or go-kart racing at Boomers, or one of the many fun activities offered at Round 1 in the nearby City of Industry. Again, this is Chris King. Make sure you visit estrellawalk.com to schedule your appointment to view our model homes and get to know our neighborhood. We look forward to seeing you.